Hi, I'm Ines Simpson, creator of the Simpson Protocol. I have been training students for almost 20 years now, and I really enjoy the process. And I have many trainers, and they do a great job. However, I now offer this, let's call it boutique training, where I work with 2 or 3 people at a time to go through the entire process of SP training. This allows the students and me to work throughout the complete SP on our own schedule. So the students can complete the course in as little as 5 weeks or as long as 8 weeks. The training also includes 3-month certification SP mentoring process after the class itself is complete. The training uses an app, so you will find it easy to follow along and practice the whole process. You can see the curriculum of the training at the link below this video, but let me explain how this boutique training works. The SP training will have 3 sections. The first section is to get you ready for practicing SP. All the background and essential info that completely prepares you for the second section, the actual hands-on practice class part, which we do together on Zoom. The third section is diving into all the different possibilities of use of SP. And I will set the meeting once a week on Saturdays at 10 a.m. PST. And you can join the meeting for practice, questions, explanations, demos, all depending where everyone is on the process. When you register, I will contact you by email and we'll set up a Facebook Messenger group for you and the other trainees, so you always have access for questions and such. We'll meet on the first available Saturday. We'll say hi, have a chat, start off the process. The certification process is a monthly get-together, a lead through every aspect of the possibility of SP in a coaching, mentoring process that at the end certifies you as a certified practitioner. And what is that called by my students? A masterclass in hypnosis. At the end of this process, you will completely confident and skilled in the practice and all aspects of SP therapy. Whether you're brand new to the therapy process or an experienced professional, the training takes you to the peak of hypnosis therapy. There will literally be no issue you can't work on with SP, from smoking to trauma, stress, addiction, or any physical disease. As we say, SP works with anything attached to the mind, and everything is attached to the mind.